Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Bank of America credit card. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, take your new Bank of America credit card and confirm your name and the card number are printed correctly. Next, locate the activation sticker or the instructions that came with the card, usually on the front of the card or in the envelope. Then, prepare your personal verification details, such as your social security number last 4 digits and your zip code, if requested. After that, decide which activation method you want to use: phone, online banking, or the Bank of America mobile app. If you choose phone activation, find the activation phone number printed on the sticker or on the back of your card. Now, call that number from your phone and listen carefully to the automated prompts. When asked, enter your full card number using your keypad. Next, confirm your identity by entering the requested details, such as your zip code or the last 4 digits of your SSN. Then, create or confirm your card PIN if the system offers that option, because you may need it for ATM or chip-and-PIN purchases. Wait for the confirmation message that your card has been activated successfully. If you choose online activation, open a web browser and go to the official Bank of America website at bankofamerica.com. Next, click Sign In and log in with your online ID and passcode. If you do not have online banking yet, select Enroll and follow the instructions to create your online access. After signing in, go to your credit card account page or look for a link that says Activate Card. Then, select the card you want to activate and follow the on-screen verification steps. Check for a confirmation screen or message that states your card is active and ready to use. If you choose the mobile app, download the official Bank of America app from the App Store or Google Play. Next, open the app and sign in with your online ID and passcode. If prompted, enable biometric login only if you are on your own trusted device. Then, find your credit card in the accounts list and tap it to open the account details. Look for an option like Activate Card or Card Management, and then tap Activate. Follow the identity verification prompts and confirm the activation request. After activation, remove any activation sticker from the card and sign the back of the card if there is a signature panel. Make a small test purchase you can easily verify, like a low-cost item, to ensure the card works. Set up alerts in online banking or the app for purchases, payments, and suspicious activity for extra security. Store the card in a safe place and never share your card number, CVV, or one-time verification codes with anyone. If activation fails or you see an error, call the customer service number on the back of your card and ask for activation support. Finally, keep your first payment due date in mind and consider setting up autopay to avoid late fees. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.